my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight. A little bit of this oil treatment is a good idea. Definitely going to oil this block. Mystery oil. You can score this at the sponsor. You just put a little bit on like this. This will restore the butcher block to its original beauty. Wow. Looks really, really nice. And the wood's sucking it up. This block has not been oiled in a long, long time. So you can see it's pretty cool looking. I kind of like the character, all the scratches. However, save yourself all that work and time. Contact the sponsor. This is maple with a food-safe Varnique finish. This is maple with the mineral oil finish. So this one should be oiled monthly. Put a little oil on there right now. This one is maintenance free. You can see the difference between this oil finish and this oil finish. The main difference is several decades of use versus brand new. Okay? This has been cut on, chopped on, sliced and diced. Butchers have used tons of different knives on this block over many, many decades, and it's still looking good. Of course, the brand new is nice too. So, yeah. Visit your sponsor. Hit them up and they give you quotes, free shipping, and discounts as well. Yeah. I'll be back with more great videos to share with you. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Oh, whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. Yeah, we gotta have that. Couple more things I wanted to go over. and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Oh, whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now.